The French Immersion program at École, Secondaire, Lacombe Composite High School began in the 1994 to 1995 school year. Our French Immersion offerings include French Language Arts and Études Sociales. These courses are chosen as they offer the best opportunities for students to continue refining their oral and written French skills. Some French work experience opportunities are also available. Students are able to pursue a wide variety of math and science courses within the English stream. Students who complete 30 credits in French are eligible for a Lacombe Composite High School / Wolf Creek Public School Certificate of Bilingualism. French Language Arts 30 often serves as a grade 12 level core subject and or second language, fulfilling a requirement for some university programs. It also allows students to continue studying in French and at a variety of bilingual or French language post-secondary institutions, including Campus St. Jean and University of Alberta.